sorry guys. Angel was trying to open it and then I disconnected by the camera, but yeah, we're back. He was opening these and we did not see what we got. But yeah, we are pretty sad that the video stopped. But yeah, so don't open these. Get this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So show them. Sorry guys, the video stopped. But yeah.
This one.
Yeah, there we go. So those are the ones that are revealed. And now Angel is gonna open the ones that are mystery. These are the ones that are not open. Okay. So he got this one. Pretty cool. And then get that one. No, wait. Leave that. No. Just this one. That one's gonna be for the end. I did not see what that one was. Okay.
No, pero
Let me see.
okay.
Okay, there we go. Ooh, this one looks pretty big. Okay, so this one looks like Godzilla for a minute. Okay, that one. Okay. Then we got this one. I don't know how to go. Okay. And then the last one. Wait. Put all of those to the side. Okay, wait, Angel. Wait. I do not know what this is. So I am not looking. Angel, don't look. Don't look. There we go. Yeah, open it. Uh-oh. Angel. We got... Oh my god. Okay, we got... I don't know. I think that's a limited edition. Oh my god. Angel, this is your luckiest day. Okay. Grab this. Wait, no. Never mind. Angel, can you, like... Here, wait. Oh my god, I'm just... Okay, open it. Okay, let me see it. Let me see it, please. Thank you. Okay. We got a... Let me see. So, let's check on Dino. Let's see. Yeah, I think we got a special edition, guys. Good one, Angel. Yes. Score. Okay, so the first one is this one. So that one is a... Wait, let me see. Let me see, please. I don't know which one this one is. Okay, I don't know what this one is. It's not here, right? I don't see it. Oh, yeah, it's an Orbit 4. So this is a common... Wait. This one is... Wait, can you stop? Okay. Yeah. This one is...
Thank you.
This one is... Shh. This one is Triceratops. And then this one is Jurassic Jet. And then this one with 3 eyeballs is... let's see. Can't find it. Yeah, I think it's Triceratops. What? No, these are the insects. We got Dino. Okay, that one. And oh my god, guys. I am so excited that we got a limited or special edition. But anyways, yeah. This one, I forgot. Sorry. But the ones that are revealed, I'm sure that they are commons. Yeah, so these are the ones that are revealed. These 5. And then these are the mystery ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a fish. No, we got a rare and a special edition. So yeah, we are
Bye,
lucky.
guys.
What?
Bye, guys.
No.
Oh.
So we
Bye,
are
guys.
so here. Throw this away. So we are very excited that we got this one because it is fun. But thank you all guys for watching.
Bye, guys.